Hello, my name is Janicot from SportTech Solutions, and I'm here to present video assistant referee and goal line technology and what we do. Everything starts here on the pitch. So the referees are linked up with the communication system, and we capture both the communication system and the cameras that are showing the pitch for the TV production at SportTech Solutions. What you can see behind me is our mobile data center. This is what we have. We have a van at every stadium in the Bundesliga. In the Major League Soccer, we have an installation in the stadiums, and this is where all the magic happens. So all of the signals that we gather from the pitch are centralized here. And what we do with them is we compress them and we send everything to our central location, where we'll go in a minute, which is in Arlington for the Major League Soccer and in Cologne in the Bundesliga. So I'm sitting right now where one of the VARs sits during the game in the MLS. This is in Arlington, Texas. In the Bundesliga, first and second Bundesliga, it is in Cologne. And this is where we sit. So each referee or video assistant referee has the live screen on top, so where they can always see what is happening during the game. On the bottom, what they see is a replay screen, which is usually split in 4 cameras, so that they can see a replay of the situations that are going on. So they always watch live. As soon as something happens, they switch to the bottom screen. So the VAR here always hears what the referee says on the pitch, what the referee team says on the pitch. He hears everything and can interact with them with a push-to-talk button. They can press the button, speak with the referee. So this is how they make contact with the pitch to make sure that they don't miss any serious incidents. On here, they're always in communication with each other. So they're always talking about the situations, but the referees on the pitch don't hear them. They only hear them when they press the button and they decide to actively talk to the referees. As soon as there is a situation, a specific situation that they want to review, they will switch from the live screen to the replay screen. And this is where the replay operator comes into play, as they will have to provide the right pictures at the right time and the right replays to be able to make a decision. And this is where the replay operators can control all of the footage. So we have access to all of the cameras from the broadcast production, and we can do whatever we want with them. So we can rewind, we can fast forward, we can pause, we can go frame by frame, we can make a camera big. So I can do it right now, make a camera big, we can zoom in with a pinch to zoom. And everything that we do here, that the operator does here, is reflected for the video assistant referee. So these two people are really in sync, and through their communication, they can decide what is shown and then how they're going to make that decision. So of course, as soon as there's a decision that needs to be made on the pitch, you have thousands of fans in the stadium that are waiting for this decision to be made. So everything here needs to happen very, very quickly. So it's very important to have very good communication protocols and very precise communication protocols. And the technology needs to support that as well, and to be extremely quick and precise in everything that they do. So this is the way we designed our software, is to make sure the experience is really intuitive and frictionless, so that we can adapt to those latencies and really support the referees on the pitch that are standing under a lot of pressure with all the fans waiting for a decision to be made. So what the VAR will see on his screen, the video assistant referee, exactly this screen is reflected on the pitch for the referee to see, so they see always the exact same thing, and there's no room for confusion. And this is also exactly what is shown on broadcast for the supporters at home, for the fans at home, so that they can see also with full transparency what is actually being checked in that situation. And this little camera right here is what people see on TV as well. It's important that the video assistant referee also has a face on television. So it's important to have a camera here so that people at home have the feeling that there is someone behind the screens and that the referee is not standing alone on the pitch. What you can see here on those 2 tablets is a prototype of our latest development. We're looking to bring all of the technology that you saw before for a video referee to run all in the cloud, which makes it a lot more efficient and a lot more flexible for smaller leagues and federations to be able to do single games, tournaments, or for a whole league-wide implementation.
We launched VAR a couple of years ago here in Bundesliga, and we developed the system further and further, also now using goal line technology in Bundesliga 1 and 2. And even more important is that we developed our service-focused system more towards a productized solution, keeping our service focus for high top-tier clients, but also being able now to productize the VAR solution to cater smaller leagues and target international clients, which we had been successfully signing off during the last couple of months. So overall, VAR technology by SportTech Solutions and View is a successful story for us. So in the future, the VAR technology will be more democratized. More leagues will use the technology and the service. And therefore, multiple use cases will be available where you can range from top-tier service solutions down to very easy on-pitch or even cloud-based solutions to enable those smaller clients and smaller federations and leagues to use and get the advantage of having a VAR on place.
Hi there. Welcome from SPOBIS in Hamburg, my hometown. My name is Matthias. I'm managing partner of View, which is part of the SportTech Solution Group. We are one of only two providers of GLT technology, which was first found in 2014 with the World Cup in Brazil. By coincidence, Germany won the title, but no interference. Currently, we are working in all football officiating technologies. Of course, not only for football, but these technologies also serve for other sports. We are supplying the German Bundesliga, we are supplying Major League Soccer, we are supplying most of Southwest European leagues, namely La Liga, Portugal, and different leagues in South America. So our focus is in providing and improving those technologies